Okay, guys. This is an epic fail right here. Look, this notifier annunciator is going into supervisory. Look, anyways, but here we have some Otis elevators here. We're at the Thomas and Mack Medical Plaza. That panel's annoying. Yeah, that panel's going into supervisory. Means it might be going into trouble if they don't do anything about it. See? It's coming from right there. Anyways, let's get away from that annoying. Oh wow, it's dark in here. Look at this. Look, there's burnt out lights in here. That's not good. But anyways, that fire alarm panel. Anyways, that fire alarm panel's annoying. Those are your fixtures. Otis Series 1. And, well, probably will go and alert someone of the panel going into supervisory. Wow, this thing sounds horrible. Well, anyways, that will be the video. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye. There it goes. That's it.